Jai Swaminarayan. We are seeing, we are getting information about Jawaras. Okay, so we have seen till now two tribes. Okay, first is Masai. They are very strong and we can say powerful or great courageous who fight with lions. And what about Jawara? They have special their dancing and singing. Okay, and they have more great immunity power. And second thing, they have great knowledge of the herbs. Now next, that is Maoris. The Maoris are the tribes which are who located in the New Zealand. The Maori tribe is a IW in the Maori language. Every member of Maori tribe has specific role in their specific place with special in the social order. See, these people are so and means little bit away from our modern life, but they have their own traditions. Okay, so all tradition not cruel. See, in Maurice the tribes, they have a specific role for a specific person and special place, and at the top of the tribe there is a chief. It is called a archi. The chief had the prestige which was inherited to his predecessors, but they have certain level of democracy. At their meeting, all member has right to talk or to tell about their opinions. These people have very great skill in the particular type of crafts. Till now what we study about their lifestyle, about their culture, about their tradition, but we find there is some unique special qualities in them, right now. Now last one, that is Aborigines. Okay, we are these Aborigines are lived in Australia. One of the two distinct group are people of Australia. They are among the first human to migrate. The art of these people are the oldest form of the art in the world. These people have special connection with everything that is natural. Fine. So isn't it interesting thing to study about these people, and we get more information about these people now? Okay. Now we will see the next chapter. It is science today. So it is interesting. You have to answer the some questions are there. We can complete with the words. A computer controlled object that does many of the jobs which human can do. It's called a robot. Have you heard about it? Definitely heard about it because everyone see Rajnikant's robot, right now? Then, when we use a gadget or a machine that does not need to have wire connection connecting it to anything, we say it is wireless. When a program or an event is shown or played for people who are far away view or listen to it, we say it belongs to broadcast. Fine. Films that have character and things that look real but are not are called animated movies. Okay, I think you are very familiar with animated movies. All are fond of to see the animated movies, na? Even I also like Jai Hanuman and so many movies. I don't recall all the movies. Okay, there are camera in which you do not have sorry put any film. The picture may be viewed instantly on a inbuilt screen and deleted if not required. This picture may be the transfer onto computer or printed. These are called, now everyone know about it, digital camera, right now. Next, put a tick in the box for the things that have already been made. A watch that can properly 12,000 feet underwater. Yes. A mobile phone which people can watch TV program. Now smart mobiles are there. We can watch easily any TV program there. A camera connected to connected to or built into your computer that make it possible to see the person you speaking to through see or he may be far away. I am working on that. That is a webcam, right now. A car that can drive itself to move without a driver. Yes, it is. Okay. So let's start though. Now I think today we have completed three interesting topics. Okay. Have a nice time.